Hello, my name is Kostyal, and I'm Senior Vice President at Nasdaq. I head up our Nordic and European listing business. One of the critical missions within Nasdaq is to make sure that entrepreneurs and growth companies can access the public markets to support their further growth and their further expansion over time. Our junior listing venue, Nasdaq First North Growth Market, has proven to become an exceptional platform for Nordic and international entrepreneurs to access capital, liquidity, and visibility to support the growth of their businesses. To further support our listed companies on the Nasdaq First North Growth Market, we in 2009 launched the Nasdaq First North Premier segment. The aim of the Premier segment is to maximize the visibility of the efforts of those companies that have an additional layer of governance and meet an additional layer of requirements that are typical for the main market. These companies want to make sure that they get a maximum reach to investors, but they also want to maximize the momentum they have to potentially transition into the main market. By adopting these requirements earlier on the Premier segment, they smoothen the transition into the main market. This is why we launched the Premier segment, not only to maximize the visibility for these companies, but also to help them transition into the main market in a smoother way. There are several benefits of listing on the Nasdaq First North Premier segment. As the public markets have become more and more complex, investors are not only looking for commercial opportunities to invest in, but also, more importantly, looking for well-run commercial opportunities from a governance point of view. By adding these additional requirements on the Premier segment, we send a clear signal to the market that investors are not only finding great commercial opportunities in this segment, but also well-run opportunities. This gives the companies a broader investor reach, not only in the Nordics, but also internationally. Since we launched Nasdaq First North Growth Market, close to 90 companies have transitioned into the main market. The Premier segment is there to help those companies manage that transition in a smoother way. The Premier segment is an additional platform for our international companies that are trying to reach the Nordic investor base. 10% of our pipeline today is from international companies. We feel that the Nasdaq Premier segment can be a great platform for these companies as well. We see that this evolution is a great development of the success story of Nasdaq First North Growth Market. We encourage advisors, companies, investors to contact us either directly or through our webpage to access more information regarding the Nasdaq First North Premier segment or the Nasdaq First North Growth Market segment.